queen take d5, but I want to point out that after e take d5, blacks also may choose the line of knight f6 with idea to put the knight to the center. Knight f6, then knight take d5, etc. So queen take d5, knight c3. The most natural move. It combines development with attack of the queen who went out to the center early. That's why queen must go away. Queen d6, but of course queen can go away to a5 and d8. So queen d6, d4, knight f6, knight f3, c6. Important nuance: knight on c3 is limited and it stays in front of the pawn c2. This is main negative of the white's structure, as one would like to put pawns on c4 and d4. So knight e5, knight bd7. Knight bd7, it is a development, and we try maybe exchange this strong knight on the center. Knight c4. Usually exchanges are favorable for the cramped side. That's why the knight tries to avoid it. Queen go away, queen f3. Queen f3 with idea bishop f4 with attack our queen. But knight b6, and again we try exchange pieces. Knight e5, he don't want. Bishop e6. Logical development of the bishop. The other bishop will be brought to g7. Bishop d3. If he play bishop f4, we can, for example, queen c8, castling, knight go to d5 and attack knight and bishop. Change, take, bishop e2, for example, g6, and normal position for black. So bishop d3, g6, castling, bishop g7, bishop f4, and knight, and now of course our queen must go away. Queen d8. Usually in the same situation, in the same structure, queen can go to d8 or c8. I think both lines is okay for black. Queen d8, or go to the center, castling, h3, knight b, d5. Typical maneuver for this structure. Square d5 is often used as a staging post for knights. It is the place where exchanges which make blacks alive easy happen. It is especially nice when a knight is attacking two or more pieces at the same time, because both pieces cannot go away immediately. So second rook go to the center, and now black play knight b4, but also good knight take on f4, queen take, and queen d6 with normal position for black, two bishops on the board. So rook e1, knight b4 also makes sense because we have an attack on d3 and c2 immediately, and that's why bishop cannot go away. a3, knight take to d3, knight take to d3, knight d5. Computer is not happy about this. As fighting for the team, I did not dare to play principlet. I can take on d4, but a little bit afraid. For example, bishop e3, queen c4, knight f4. But after knight d5, chance for black a little bit better.